Hello everyone. Now this is the unboxing video of the Western Digital SMR drive with PCB number 83069. This is one very good USB to SATA adapter. Okay, let's unbox it. Now this is one plastic bag with two screws. These screws are used to fix the SATA adapter to the USB hard drive to convert the USB interface to SATA interface. Okay, so here are the two screws. Let's get out of the box the USB to SATA adapter. Okay, so we can see the quality of this one is very good. Let's check the other side. The data read pins. So we just install the screws here. Then we just install the adapter. For example, this is the USB interface. We just install here and fix the USB, fix the screws, and then we can convert the USB drive to SATA interface, so that users can work on the USB hard drive by SATA interface to read-write firmware corruption, to read data, to image the unstable pension drive by SATA interface. Okay, so it's very easy with this USB to SATA adapter. The PCB number is 83069 and the family is Palmer. Let's see which models are using this PCB number. Let's go to the computer and see which models are using 83069. So we can see, okay, these models using the PCB number 83069. We can see the family is Palmer. Okay, Palmer drive. And users can come to the hddheadtools.com to get this adapter at good price. Okay, so this is the unboxing video for the 83069 USB to SATA adapter. Thank you for watching the video.